Hey guys, welcome to the video. And let's already get started with this video. So I will go visit my friends. Hello friend, how are you? I am good. How about you? You're squishing me, you know. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, as I was saying, please. Okay, I don't know what I said anymore. Alright. So, you ready to eat some people? Yep. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go swim in the ocean. Hehehe. Oh no! What are you doing? Got you. Alright, I'm gonna go swim in the ocean. Yeah! Yeah. Don't slide. What are you doing? In your Facebook face. You're already in the ocean, right? Yeah. Oh, I hit him. Right now it's your turn, shark. No! Get out of here, tarantula! Never know tarantulas to swim in an ocean. 50 cents? Hold on, I gotta do something. Perfect. I don't know why these items are here. What are you doing to me? No! I'll rip off your back. Rip back. Man, I found a lot. Play some Fortnite. Done. I got Victory Royale. Let's see what else we can find. We're gonna have to go to the noisy room with the dogs. What's music? Oh. Oh, just what I needed. Let's dump all this money out. That's only one. Hold on, let me get some more. Come on, money, come out. Money counts. I don't know what I'm gonna use. I know just what to use this on. I'm gonna trade this money for nah. Yeah. Whoa. What is this? Bird. Robot. Where is the cashier? Right here. Oh, take your money. Thanks. No problem. Man, it sure is heavy. Still got lots of money. I know what to buy it for. Mr. Cashier, I don't like these 3 birds. Give me the money. Thanks. Hello, cuties. You guys are cute. Can I have one of y'all? Maybe tomorrow. Well, he gets to keep the money. What can I spend my last money on? Wait, let me use these loomies. I don't want this $1 bill. Ooh, a game of Don't Lose Your Cool. Here you go, Mr. Car. I don't know why you live. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't lose your cool. Nice. I'll play that game tomorrow. I'm gonna whack some people. What should I whack this on? Oh! Eee! Sorry for the copy again. I was shark about this. How dare you? The fish! This would be perfect for lunch. Ugh. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. I'm full. I gotta get ready for school. I'll go to school. Wee. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video for today, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's a video coming instantly. So while you're watching this, stay tuned for another video. It's the part where you go to the school, so whisker, whisker, gotta go.